This is the one graphic. We will find there are many similar graphics in this die file. We click Similar Paths. Now, system informs us 24 similar paths has been found. After clicking Yes, the work name of this item in confirmation sequence switch from 1 to 24 plus 1 equal to 25, and all the similar paths bracket graphic has been marked. Mirror path is same operation. In conclusion, these two buttons is convenient for the users to select graphic. Next, we introduce Auto Merge Arc. This button is convenient for the users to do overall operation on arc. We break off this arc firstly. Click the right button of mouse, then click somewhere on arc. If this button is enabled, the segmented arc will merge into one after selection. If not enabled, the segmented arc will still keep segmented situation after selection. Next, we introduce File Preview, which is used to let the users could check the content of file before opening it. If this button is not enabled, then the users will see nothing before opening file. If enabled, then this dialog will appear. The users no need to care Auto Optimize Path. It is default button, which is used to optimize some special paths like continuous arc. The users no need to care select color as nick, select color as hole, select color as perforation, these three buttons too. The Bender software uses the default setting.